Perfect for casual or beginning bakers, ABC Nonstick 9 by 13 inch rectangular cake bakeware pan is ideal for baking cakes or brownies and has a limited lifetime. 9x 13x 2 inches, baking pans feature unique design to facilitate air circulation. Easy grip handles aid with inserting or removing pan from oven. Nonstick coating is PFOA and BPA free and provides easy release of baked goods and easy clean up. Wash with hot water, mild soap and a gentle sponge. USA Pan is a Bundy family company which has proudly manufactured high-quality bakeware and provided jobs in the USA for over 50 years. The ABC 9 by 13 inch rectangular cake baking pan by USA Pan is made in the USA from globally sourced materials by a family-owned and operated business. The American Bakeware Classics line of bakeware is suitable for your basic ABCs of baking. These baking pans are affordable and a great value for bakers looking to save money on disposable pans. The nonstick coating, which is PFOA and BPA free, promotes easy release for baked goods and makes the pans easy to clean. To protect the nonstick coating, hand wash with warm water, soap and a gentle sponge. Easy grip handles are perfect for inserting or removing the pan out of the oven. USA Pan is a Bundy family-owned company, based in the greater Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania area which has been producing high-performance bakeware for over 50 years. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice pans. I will be replacing some stoneware pieces that are burning up my baked goods with these pans. A friend of mine highly recommended this brand, and when shopping in a big box store this past weekend, I scored a 2-pack of the baking sheets for the price of one. The quality of those sheets convinced me to order these 3 additional items. I am looking forward to using them. They weight and non-stick surfaces are a definite selling point. Now for the bad, did not appreciate how they were packaged as you can see in the photo. Loaf pan is scratched on the bottom. See pic. When you spend good money on products that are 1, highly recommended and 2, pretty pricey, I expect not hear them clanging, banging and scratching each other's surface because of being poorly packed. Totally unacceptable. I understand keeping costs down and saving the environment, a few more squares of bubble wrap or air packs to cushion and separate the items would have been the right thing to do.